What is up, guys? Today we're going to go over why consultants are so much better than marketing agencies and why you should avoid those guys at all times. Now, I might be a little biased. I understand. I get it. It looks pretty bad on my part, but you know, I've got to be honest with you here. We get this feedback from a lot of people. Okay, so these are not just my insights. These are insights from a lot of our clients that have worked with agencies in the past and have gotten bit. All right. Now, this is perfect for contractors or basically any home service professional out there. Cleaning businesses, roofing companies, pool builders, deck builders, remodelers, all of that stuff. Landscapers, hardscapers, all of that. Tree trimmers, fence installers, doors, windows. Right. This is perfect for them guys. Actually, it could be really for any local service, but let's get right into it, guys. The reason why we have it out for these marketing agencies is because of this, right? You're looking at the customer Dorito. This is where your customers are coming from, guys. All right. At the bottom, it's the most desirable, which is actually referrals, right? Word of mouth. That's great. We want that. Very hard to get. You need to become brand authority in order to get to this level where you're consistently getting this and you're predictably running your business off of these only. Okay. So at the top, it's shared leads, it's Angie's List and stuff like that. We don't want this. There might be a time and place for it, but whatever, Then there's paid ads. That's what marketing agencies focus on, just the paid ads. Okay. Where secretly, why would they want you getting leads from here? Why would they want you getting leads from here? They don't. Your values are not aligned. They don't want you being booked out 5 months in advance because that means that you have to turn your ads off. So they'll just give you the worst advice ever and try to make ways for you to make up ways for you to keep spending more on ads, right? So let's get right into this thing. I did a quick comparison here. They're very expensive, okay? $2,000 a month just to hit on and off buttons, basically, okay? And, we have marketers on the team here, and we're consultants, right? But we do have in-house marketers. We have in-house web development. We have AI development. All of that is already in-house, right? So we know what goes into this, right? I've done Facebook and Google ads in the past for clients as well. I know exactly what to do. But $2,000 a month for Facebook ads, I mean, that is stealing in my book. Okay, so that's why I despise this model for this specific industry. All right. Not only just paid ads, guys. This is they give you a little piece of the Dorito, right? Just one small piece of the puzzle, and even within this, they're only doing Facebook ads, right? They're just doing Facebook ads for the 2,000, and then you got to pay another 2,000 for the Google ads, right? And then another 2,000 for the TikTok ads. You know what I mean? So it just gets so expensive and you're getting little return. Now, if you are getting leads, then great. Most of the time you are not. And if you are, then it's probably bad leads. But there's more bad marketing agencies out there than good ones. And I know a lot of you have tried going this route and have gotten bit in the ass for that, right? Now, consultants, infinitely cheaper. Why? Because we focus on this. Now, maybe cheaper is not the word. Maybe there's more value in it because not only can they get you this, okay, they also care about this. Or not, let me say we care about this, right? Us as consultants, I'm talking about all consultants. We care about all of this, and maybe not that. All right. Now, like I just mentioned, all aspects of marketing. We want customers from anywhere. Now, me personally, I'd rather this, right? Just these three pillars, right? Online, offline, and then referrals. Then the online marketing or the online presence is your digital footprint. It's your social media. It's your SEO. It's your website. Okay. We need those. Why? Because these are high intent leads. These are leads that are paying you full ticket for all the jobs. They're not talking about discounts or anything like that. Okay. These are people that want you to do work in their home. Okay. High intent. Offline marketing, high intent as well. Okay, this is your print, this is your direct mail, this is your uniforms, right? This is your branding, your car wraps. All right, that's what this is. Now that is also how you become a brand authority. Very important. And then ultimately we get to this, right? So as consultants, yes, we give you this. Yes, we give you this. We give you this. Now we can't give you uniforms. We just we leave that up to your team. Leave it in your capable hands. Now, we build mechanisms to get you more of this, okay? So whenever you do need this, we'll step in and give you the best ads you've ever seen, all right? If we can't make it for you as your consultant, we will hire the best of the best and not just hire these, fly-by-night marketing agencies, these 18-year-olds in their mom's basements, okay? We're not doing that. We're hiring the best in the industry, all right? Now, as consultants, we do collect money, and then if we are to go out and find you somebody, we'll take that money and we'll pay the expert. All right. That way, we're saving you a ton of time, first of all, and even getting in front of that person. All right. Now, lifetime growth solution. Exactly that. You're not going to grow doing this because you'll always be chasing these cheap leads, right? When I say cheap, I mean cheap customers, right? You'll always be chasing this. This is what you're going to be known as. You're going to be known as the guy doing half off roofs, right? You're going to be the one doing a free house clean or like half off deep clean for the first time. You're going to be that person. That's what they're going to know you as. All right. So lifetime growth solution. You're going to become an authority if you have this dialed in. Your online presence, right? If you're active on social media, SEO, website is dialed in. If you have all of this done, your branding, your uniforms, your workers are all presentable. Everything is clicking. Then and only then will you get to. God damn, my lines are crooked. You will get to this part, okay? And this is I'm only talking about the current market. All right, I know there's a lot of older guys that have been in business for 40 plus years that are already word of referrals. I mean, working on referrals, and they're already a brand authority because they started 50 years ago. All right, and there's nothing wrong with that. But the times have changed. The times have changed. So let's go. Zero obligation to spend on ads. We don't spend it on ads, like I said, because that's all the way up here. There's better customers to get here. All right. Now with them, they have you sign a contract where you have to spend a certain amount. Even those guys that say we'll work for free or pay per lead or whatever, you have to spend a certain amount on ads. So if you're booked out 5-6 months in advance from referrals, that means you still have to spend on ads. Why? Because this is their goal, to get rich, right? You're just getting them rich because you have to spend on ads. Contractually, you have to spend on ads no matter how booked you are, which is not really fair, right? As your consultants, we will never tell you that'll be idiotic. We'll probably like try to slap your hand away from doing this. Okay. The goal is growth. Their goal, spend more on ads because that just makes them rich. With consultants, we adapt to your business. All right. It's not something that you can just plug and play, although a lot of our things are productized, meaning we've built them so many times that we can just plug it in, but we leave room to mold it in a way to not be as intrusive in your business. All right. With marketing agencies, they already have their systems. They have everything that they like to use. They bring you along. When you hire them, they plug you into their world. Okay. That's not how this works. And the worst part too is, well, it's a double-edged sword, right? Consultants, when you hire a consultant, there's a reason. There's a reason why on average they're being held for 5 months. Okay, versus marketing agencies, they only last about a month and a half. It's not because they're getting them quick results. No, it's because they're not getting anything in return. All right, versus consultants, we're getting you that. We're getting you insights on that, and we're helping the business overall because there's more to it than just paid ads. If you have a bad foundation, if you don't have a good sales process, how can you possibly take on more leads? You can't even fulfill. Okay. If you can't fulfill and we identify that, then the first thing we're going to talk about is how do we get more talent? How do we get you more help? All right. How do we get you more contractors, another crew? There's no way we're going to run ads for you and bring on 3,000 leads if you can't even pick up the phone. So let's get these things dialed in, and then we'll get these ads up and running, and we'll help you. We'll hold your hand to do all this stuff. That's why they get retained for that much longer, right? Now, when you mess with these guys, when you're in this space, right, in this space on Facebook specifically, this is what you're competing against. This is an ad I found. Okay, I did change this because I don't want to dox anyone. I changed this and I changed this. And I might have added the clown face. I might have. Okay. I might have. Now, what the hell is this? Who is making money on this? What is that? What that says to people is that we run a charity. We do not do quality work, and we welcome any and all nightmare clients. That's the game you're playing here, guys. That's the game you're playing, along with those clowns up there. Okay, we don't want you playing these games. It's fine if you need a quick injection of leads and sales. Cool, we can use it strategically, but we do not want you messing in that space, guys. Okay, as consultants, we don't care about you spending money on ads as long as we're getting leads from all these other places. Why the hell do we need to spend money on that? If anything, we might get on Google. You know, you might get on Google. I know it's a little more expensive, but higher quality leads. But you know, it's we most consultants, okay, when they won't do you wrong. All right, so that was just a quick video, guys. I get this question a lot. You know, are you a marketing agency? My blood kind of boils sometimes when I hear that, but it's all right. I completely understand. There's just so many of these guys now. They just watched like a YouTube video of, you know, how to run Facebook ads, and they started a marketing agency. Cool. I mean, look, I support entrepreneurship 100%. But when you start promising things and you ruin people's lives, now that becomes a problem, right? Because now the whole space just looks bad. I can't tell you how many times I got on calls and said, you know, why, like they're just shocked at how different we are. I'm like, this should be the norm. Okay. You should, people that you hire should be making your life better, not adding more work to your plate. Okay. People that you hire, these marketing agencies, should not be adding more work on your plate. The only work they should be adding on your plate is the problem of more leads. Okay. That's a good problem to have. That's literally why you hired them. Okay. There's a bigger problem now. I'm talking about these marketing agencies. I mean, I just got on a call the other day. This guy said, the kid asked me what kind of ads they should run for his business. And, you know, it's like, you're supposed to be the expert. You're supposed to have insights in the industry. we we work with multiple companies at a time. We know what's working. When something doesn't work, we share that with the rest of our clients. That way, they don't have to experience the same failures. Okay, that's what you have to do as any consultant or marketing agency, or maybe a coach or whatever there is. All right. Now, if you're a marketing agency and you're watching this and you feel offended, then the shoe fits. All right. If you want to comment and reveal yourself, then go right ahead. We want to see your face. Now, again, that was it. I wanted to record this short rant, guys. I appreciate your time. And if you want to book a call with us, link in the description. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much.